Hi everyone, Victoria Escareno here. I am your San Antonio new build specialist, and if you're looking to move to the Stone Oak area right across from the JW Marriott, this is the community for you. I am showcasing Campanas at Cibolo Canyons, so if you're looking to buy here, give me a call. I'm going to showcase the two model homes that they have here, so stay tuned. So this is the Rochelle floor plan over at Cibolo Canyons at Campanas by Sitterle Homes. So this little room is completely separate from the entire house. So you can put the in-laws in here. They have their own restroom, their own closet. This builder is hidden in San Antonio's most desirable master plan development off of Cibolo Canyons, located off 281 North TPC Parkway. So now you have the study room off to the right and the guest bathroom. So this is also a semi-custom builder, so you can pick out and choose all of your finishes. So you can add this special black tile in your bathroom. So there you have it. That was the Rochelle floor plan by Sitterle. So now whether it's Sitterle, this builder, or this community, or even this area, I'm here to help you. So obviously Sitterle does have a gorgeous model home. So if you're interested in Sitterle here or any other community, definitely reach out. And even if it's another builder, I have contacts all over San Antonio, and builders are offering great incentives this time of year. So I'm adding my information right up there. Do not hesitate, whether you text me or call me, DM me on Instagram, or message me on Facebook. It does not matter. I am here to serve you here in the San Antonio market. And with that being said, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be putting out content of all different builder communities all over San Antonio, north, south, west, east. So click that subscribe button.